we are going to learn all the rules about tenses, which is really going to help you out to speak English fluently. And my dear friends, I'm going to teach you today the rule and an example with it. Simple introduction of tenses. So tenses means the time of action. They show when the action is done. Now, like the rule is subject, present perfect tense is for the action that starts. Perfect continuous tense is the action that shows which started in the past and still continuing, like it had, has and have plus been and verb plus ing. Moving on to simple past. Simple past is used when you talk about action that is completed in the past. And the rule is, my dear, I went to school today. I walked in the past.